First, we're going to create our script using ChatGPT. And for this example, we're going to talk about the best dog breeds for first-time owners. So you're going to put the headline and then best dog breeds for first-time owners. And then we're going to write an outline for an article. And this will give us a detailed outline for this topic, which will give us more information and help us create longer videos. So we're going to take the first part where it says importance of choosing the right breed for first-time owners. We're going to copy it. And then we're going to say write the introduction. And then this will give us a detailed introduction about this topic. And this can take from a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, which is insane. You do this with each section of the outline, and then you just combine all of them together, and that's your YouTube script. And you do the same thing with the second bullet point, and then you just say write an introduction. And this will give you your second section of your introduction for your video. The second section of the outline says Laboratory Retriever, description of breed, intelligent, friendly, and easy to train. And then we're going to type write an article section. And this will give us our YouTube script for the part that says Laboratory Retriever. And what's nice about this is that you only need to copy and paste your outline, and ChatGPT writes your script for you. And we're also going to do this for the conclusion so you guys know how we do it. So you just copy the first bullet point of your outline, and then say write a conclusion. And this will give you your conclusion. And remember, do each part separately, that way you get more details in your YouTube script, and then just combine them together. And then you can copy and paste your script on your notes, then go on a website called Small SEO Tools, and we're going to copy and paste our script and check for plagiarism. And this is to be on the safe side, and check on I'm Not a Robot, and thankfully there isn't any plagiarism. Then go on Canva to create our video, and make sure to put YouTube video as your template. And Canva is a free app on your phone that you can use, and Canva has a lot of pictures and videos that you can use for free. Since our video is about dogs, we're looking for free videos about dogs. So we choose the ones that we want or like, and we adjust them to fit the box. And we're going to keep each video clip 3 seconds long to keep our audience retention rate longer. And then we're going to add our second clip, and we just choose the videos that we want. And we do the same thing with all the videos. We just adjust them to the box, and we just keep on adding videos. And you can also filter the videos. There's free and pro, or paid. And Canva has thousands of videos and pictures that you can use for your YouTube videos. They're also non-copyrighted. And what's nice about Canva is it's free and easy to use. And they have the pictures and videos on their app, so you don't need to download them. And you can also combine them, add any transitions, or text all on their app. So once you're done with your video, you're going to select download, and then you're going to download the video onto your phone. So sometimes it does take time for it to download, so be patient. Once it said save to camera roll, that's when you're done. You're then going to download this free app called InShot. It's on the App Store and it's easy to use. So we have our video. I'm going to show you how you're going to do your voiceover. First, make sure you select the 16:9, that's the size for a YouTube video. And then click on where it says music, and then click on record. Then start reading the YouTube script that you created using ChatGPT. And if you want a more detailed video on how to use InShot, just make sure to comment down below. You can also edit your recording, and then once you're done, you download the video using the top right corner and it says save. And then you're all done. If you want to learn how to start your e-commerce store today with only $100, make sure to watch the video in the description box below.